I'm here having coffee and I'm watching this mile high waves. You know, it's just gonna splash here, right here next to me. Anytime soon now. See? Wow, this is so amazing. Blue Atlantic Ocean. We're 200 nautical miles away from the typhoon Hermine, but we're running full speed, like 17 knots, in order to make up for the time lost. And we're heading south of Bermuda. You see that? Oh, I'm on the fourth floor of the ship right now, the Grand Restaurant. You can imagine how big these waves are. See? Whoa. Whoa. See that? I got some splash in here. There's a big one coming. It's almost like, can you imagine the sea? They can see water by the window. They're like submerged. Okay. God bless the anthem.